Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I will show you how to solve problem of lowest common multiple of 3 numbers. Solution. Now we use the prime factor method. In prime factor method, what we do, we write the 6 numbers. We write 6, 8, and 9. What are the prime numbers that can times both or times to give you 6? We have 2 times 3. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. Then 9 is 3 times 3. Therefore, LCM is equal to, we have numbers that appear here is 2 and 3. We look for a line where we have more numbers of 2, which is line 8. We have to take all, which is 2 times 2 times 2. Then, where do we have the highest numbers of 3? We go to line 9. Then we include the 2, 3 times 3. When we multiply all, we have 2 times 2 gives you 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 3, 24, 24 times 3 gives you 72, which is the answer.